Where did you get that from, Missy?
This was given to me by my father. This diary is my birthright. Left to me on the steps of a children's home. Along with a name and nothing else.
Oh, so you're an orphan. What be you called?
The brightest star in the north gave me my name.
Would that be Karina?
Jack held a compass, which points you to the thing you desire most.
Who am I to you?
Treasure! Hold on!